Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a rising star in the off-road and dual sport world, the 2026 Honda XR350R. Known for its reliability, rugged build, and off-road prowess, the XR series has long been a favorite for adventure riders and trail enthusiasts. The 2026 XR350R builds on that legacy with refined performance, modern updates, and a bike ready for any challenge attitude. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this XR350R is more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 XR350R comes with refreshed bodywork that keeps the classic Honda dirt bike silhouette while adding sharper lines and modern graphics. The front fender, fuel tank, and side panels have been redesigned for a more aggressive stance, and the LED headlamp improves visibility on early morning or late evening rides. New color options and updated decals give riders a fresh, sporty look while maintaining the XR's iconic rugged appeal. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the XR350R features a 349cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine tuned for strong mid-range torque and smooth throttle response. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox and precise clutch, this bike delivers reliable performance both on trails and highways. The long-travel suspension has been optimized for off-road comfort and stability, while lightweight construction ensures agile handling in tight corners or rough terrain. Safety and technology. Honda has added practical updates to make riding safer and more convenient. The digital instrument cluster provides clear readouts of speed, fuel, and trip information, while updated LED lighting enhances visibility. The ergonomics have been refined to reduce rider fatigue on long rides, and the braking system offers confident stopping power in a variety of conditions. While keeping electronics simple, the XR350R ensures maximum control for the rider. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda XR350R proves that Honda's XR line remains a benchmark for dual sport reliability and off-road fun. With modern updates, improved performance, and rugged versatility, it is ready for trail adventures, daily commutes, and weekend escapes alike. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, news, and first looks at the motorcycles that truly matter.